Hey, I want to work on these problems that I really like in this section that we're doing. I want to find all 6 of these trig functions based on an angle that terminates through the point 2, -3. 2, -3 is here, 4th quadrant. So I want to find all of the trig values based on this angle here. In order to do that, since I'm not in the on the unit circle, I'll need to find an r value. Find that like you would a c using your Pythagorean theorem. R squared is going to be equal to your x squared and your y squared. 2 squared is 4. -3 squared is 9. That's going to be 13. Your r is the square root of 13. In order to find the sine, something that's not on the unit circle, you'll take your y value and divide it by your r value. Remember, this is your x, this is your y, and I have now found the r value. Sine will be -3 over the square root of 13. Cosine is your x value divided by your r value, 2 over the square root of 13. And tangent will be y over x, -3 over 2. To find these others, I'll just simply reciprocate the others. So cosecant will be the reciprocal of sine, -13 over 3. Secant will be the reciprocal of cosine. And cotangent will be the reciprocal of tangent. One thing I want you to do using your calculator is find the measurement of this angle. I'll go back to my geometry days and pick the one of these original 3 that is best for this quadrant, and that will be cosine because it is positive. I'll do a cosine inverse of 2 over the square root of 13. Now your calculator will give you an acute angle. That is going to be our reference angle, theta prime. And if I do a cosine inverse, make sure you're in degree mode. You'll get 56.3099. In the 4th quadrant, your angle has to be somewhere between 270 and 360. So in the 4th quadrant, I find the answer by going 360 minus the reference angle. If I type that into my calculator, I get 303.6901. Hey, have a nice day. Clean your room.